If your PSP is not turning on, and even when you plug it into power, the screen stays black and nothing shows up, then in this guide I'll show you some basic troubleshooting that you can try to fix this issue. First, you need to make sure that your PSP has enough charge to boot up. You can try charging it and make sure the power adapter is plugged in properly so that you can see the red LED when you charge it. Keep it plugged in for a few hours and then try turning your PSP on. But if you don't see the red LED when you plug in the adapter, then you can try charging your PSP using a different one and see if that works. But if your PSP still won't turn on, then you can try removing the battery and any memory card that you have installed, then plug in the charger and try turning on your PSP without any batteries. If your PSP turns on this way, then the battery may be damaged and you can try a new one and your PSP should work properly after that. If it still isn't working, then we can try launching our PSP into recovery mode and reset it from there. To get into recovery mode, hold down the right bumper and then flick the power switch. Now your PSP should boot up into recovery mode. After that, simply highlight reset device using the D-pad and press X. Now your PSP should boot up normally. If you can't reach the recovery mode and nothing is displayed, then you can also try a button combination to reset your PSP. So while your PSP is turned off, you need to hold down these following 4 buttons: the triangle, the square, the select and the start button. And while you're holding it, turn on your PSP and you need to hold down these buttons until you see the screen come up. Now let go and your PSP will boot up in setup mode. So you can just set it up and you're good to go. But unfortunately, if your PSP still won't turn on, then this is probably a hardware issue and you need to get your PSP repaired. Let us know how it went, and if this helped fix your PSP, then make sure to give us a thumbs up, support us by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.